Hi there, here is another in Vogue coloring book. This one is a lot of fun. This one has many different little designs, and it also has these fun little find-its where, like, throughout you look for 4 rings, you look for 2 pairs of boots, you can find some bows. So as you color and you look around, oops, what's that? One of the rings, you can find these things. Anyways, but this particular book is by Pap Leisure. It says, filled with beautiful detailed patterns and interactive design. This creative coloring book will provide hours of relaxation and stress relief. Break out your colored pencils, turn off your phone, find your favorite page, and let your imagination free. Okay, so let's take a look. These types of coloring books are so much fun because when you color them, there's all these many different little objects and patterns. So, wow, I was going to say, and there's no stress, but whoa, this one looks it looks a little stressful to me. So anyways, okay, so just forget what I said. Enjoy the coloring book. I hope you like it like I do. And there we have it, the In Vogue Multicolor Creative Coloring Book. I hope you guys enjoyed this coloring book. I know I did. This one page threw me for a loop, but as I was thumbing through, I was thinking, well, I guess it wouldn't be that bad. So I wanted to go back and revisit it. I love the butterfly in her hair, and I don't know. It might be kind of fun. Maybe this will have to be the first page I do. Tackle the one that sort of makes me feel like, I don't know if I want to do it. Do that one. So I'm going to do this one first. Maybe. We'll see. Anyways, take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm.